Hi, and welcome to Level Up Cartooning, where our goal is to take the mystery out of the drawing process by breaking it into easy-to-follow steps. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Today we're going to draw Gru from the Despicable Me movies in this cool fighting pose. If you didn't know already, the next movie in the series, Minions: The Rise of Gru, will be coming out this summer. Anyways, all you need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. Simple, right? So let's get started. We're going to draw ninja fighting Gru step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this ninja fighting pose, Gru is roughly 7 heads tall. In other words, however tall his tiny head is, his entire body is 7 of those. Alright, so let's start with that roadmap for Gru. So there's a roadmap of Gru. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help you to know where to put the eyes, nose, mouth, and some of the other things on Gru. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's rough out Gru's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for Ninja Fighting Pose Gru. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw the final details of Gru. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work figuring that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't hammer that line, mindlessly retracing over the lines you've already drawn. Always look to tweak and improve until the very end. So let's draw in Gru's details. All right, there you have it, Gru from Despicable Me. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Gru in any pose, then you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. You notice I didn't spend time coloring Gru during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Gru. With that, you can draw him again and again, and by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it will be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. Now I'd love to see your drawing of Ninja Posed Gru. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.